On your screen, Sapna Das, who's been picking up all this, joins us now to give us more. Sapna.
Hi. So basically, the indication is this that the government is keen to settle all kinds of tax matters, of course, given in the limitations. So basically, the options had been given to Vodafone and Kane to come across and sit down and settle all outstanding tax disputes. But after Vodafone, basically, Kane is also already in arbitration. So, which basically indicates that there is no clarity yet as to whether both parties are really interested in coming across for a dialogue at this stage. So the other option, of course, is for the government to go ahead and appoint the arbitrator in the Kane matter. They haven't done so far, but the indication was very clear today that if nothing moves forward, then we will appoint the arbitrator. Apart from this, we also understand that the recently set up IT panel, here again the lines have been drawn very clearly. Most likely the retro tax matter is not going to be handled by the IT panel. The Revenue Secretary was pretty clear about it because they also put up questions saying that, in any case, interested parties, when the stakeholder consultations are started by the IT panel, industry so decides, they can come and make their suggestions. And what prevents the panel from putting up the recommendations to the government? So here the indication that came across was that this is not the part of the terms of reference of the IT panel. The main TOR is basically simplification of the Act, which the Direct Tax Code was unable to do. So that's the kind of direction that the government is working in. It's a sense of direction that we have gathered today. Details, of course, will pan out over the next couple of weeks as the panel starts meeting. In fact, he also indicated that the first meeting of the IT panel is going to be held tomorrow. So that means from tomorrow onwards, the work actually starts. So that's the second element. The third aspect that has come out from this is also, he has also indicated, the SECI has also indicated that the government is working on a separate roadmap for out-of-court settlement for all litigation matters. Now, this is going to be, again, very critical. On being further queried, but this will also handle high-profile or big tax cases like Kane and Vodafone. There was no clarity that whether that is the case so or not. But in terms of the ground reality, the overall signal that we get is that it's
all right, Sapna. We have to leave it at that. We have to take a short break. We're running out of time. But coming up on the other side, Nitin